Malume John. Malume Lume. Lum. Malume me. Yeah. Good afternoon, Mr. John Hunt, the uncle in the vehicle spare parts business. How are you doing this afternoon, sir?
I'm doing exceptionally well. And if you happen to find that lady out there that will lend us money, please introduce me to her.
Me too, John. Me too.
I promise you, the only woman I know spends all my money. I don't know about borrowing money from her.
How are the Spares boys doing this afternoon?
Yeah, we're doing fantastically well. Surviving in the heat, but really excited. We're in February month and we're really getting charged up.
Charged up. Talking about charged up, Unombuso had a problem
with my battery.
With the battery. What day was it? Was it on Monday?
It was on a Sunday evening, but Monday I had issues and I had to have someone to come and give me a little boost.
How important is your car battery and knowing when to get a new one or what to do with it?
Right, yes.
You know, the funny thing is no matter what car we drive, it can be a 20, 30-year-old car or it could be a brand new Ferrari. No matter what size engine you got, if your battery is not in good condition and it's not fully charged, well, then you might as well have a bicycle because it's not going to work. So it's extremely important to all the listeners out there, especially because we forget about it, that we need to maintain our batteries. So, you know, in every single battery, as a car's radiator needs to be filled up with water, we need to regularly check our batteries. Because the unfortunate thing about it is when your battery gives you a problem, it's normally when you're in a very difficult situation or you're rushing to work or you're needing to get to a meeting and all of a sudden you turn your key and now the battery's not working. So my advice out there to all the listeners is please take that into account that when you're checking your tire pressures, when you're checking the radiator in the levels of the water in your radiator, to check your battery and make sure that your battery is full of liquid because it needs this liquid to charge before we just get stuck on the road. So it's very, very important that it's maintained because unfortunately it's just always that situation. We never want it to happen, but it will always happen in the most dire situations and it gives us a problem. So the maintenance of the battery is very, very important. And as for all the listeners out there, if ever you're needing a battery or you'd like us to check it, pop in, come past the shop. We'll do it for you gladly, free of charge. And if you need a battery, we'll gladly help you because we have them in stock.
Oh, that's perfect. I'm definitely going past your store very, very soon. And can the listeners buy any and all parts from the Boyz Club?
Very important for the listeners to know that basically any part. For instance, it could be your window winder handle. It could just be a little cable that's irritating you. At the moment, for instance, we've got a problem with sun visors because of the extreme heat and the brightness of the sun. It could be just a little clip or it could be a complete engine. No matter what part you need for your car, service item, a crash panel, a headlight, engine parts, brake parts, suspension parts, every single part that is on your car, we can supply to the listeners out there. So big or small, no matter what it is, the right place to come to is to come and see us at the Boyz. Let us solve that problem for you and save you as much money as we possibly can.
Thank you very much for joining us this afternoon.
Absolutely. And to all the listeners out there, be safe, drive carefully. Remember where we are. We're based at Chris Harney Road. You can reach us on the telephone lines 579-8500 or via the WhatsApp lines 031-579-8501. no matter what part you need. Used part, new part. We have Parts Boys that specializes in every single brand new part for every single brand of car. We've got Spares Boys that specializes in the used parts. And we have Africa Boys online for the armchair guys. Pop onto the website at www.africaboysonline, all one word. Sit down in the comfort of your home, hopefully underneath a fan or close to an air conditioner, and gladly pop your order through. We'll get it delivered to you the very next day.
There you go. Siletelo Spares Boys for quality new and used spare parts for Mercedes, BMW, Honda, Tata, BMW, Hyundai, Kia, Jeep, Land Rover, Renault, Peugeot, Peugeot, Citroen, and Volvo brands at the most affordable prices. Call them now on 031 579 8500. That's 031 579 8500 for more tips on vehicles, safety, and parts. Njalo ke ungamuzo Malume John khona la with my FM around this time at 16:50 every Wednesday afternoon.